Good morning, third graders. I just wanted to go over the plan for the day. We have our small group sessions at 10 to 10:30 and 10:45 to 11:15. Your names are attached to what time slot you're in, so please make sure you are signing on at about 15 minutes prior to your session, and you will be in a waiting room until I'm ready. We are going to be sharing our movies, our script, our writing with our partners in our breakout rooms. So make sure that you have all of that ready on your screen to be shared with your group so that you could get feedback, because I will also be going over the steps to uploading your video once it's completed, and as well as publishing your writing once it's completed, so that you're ready to go and get that done today. Physical education you have with Mr. Borgia at 1 to 1:20, and you have an optional library broadcast at 2:30. Today's going to be, I believe, our last session with the bingo board activity, so try something new. Maybe write a letter to the author describing in detail what interests you most about the book. That's activity number 2. Record yourself acting out a scene. What props might you need? Write a script to guide you and post it to our Seesaw assignment. That's activity number 6. Maybe fold a piece of paper into fourths and write 4 questions from the Take Note thinking routine, 1 in each box. Answer and post. And that is right here. That's the link that I provided for you on here. Make sure whatever activity that you choose to do, you clearly mark or clearly state what number you're doing, and then post it to the Seesaw assignment that I've given you. In writing today, this is all about publishing your book and your trailer. Some of you will be at the point where you're going to still be working on creating your Adobe Spark video. You finished your scripts, they've been approved by your teacher, and you're ready to go. So watch the lesson to remind yourself about login instructions and how to use Adobe Spark Video. Okay, so here is the steps. Log into Adobe Spark Video through the Heathcote Gateway. Create a new video project from scratch. Create your trailer using your script and download your trailer to your computer. Your trailer, once it's downloaded, will be in the Downloads folder on your Finder. And then upload your trailer to the writing folder in your Drive and share the trailer with your teacher when you're done. Make sure that you click the share button so that I can look at your trailer. You have to do that, and I have to send you a response back to let you know that your trailer is ready to be uploaded to the folder for Mr. Casal to bring to YouTube. So when you're ready to publish your book trailer to the 3rd grade Fantasy Writing 2020 Padlet, watch the tutorial below. It gives you a step-by-step guide for you to follow and learn how to publish both your writing and your book trailer to the grade-wide Padlet. We suggest you watch the video through to the end, and then when you are ready to follow the steps, go back and watch portions of the video, press pause, complete the step, and then press unpause and learn the next step. It's very helpful, and it gives you a step-by-step directions. We cannot wait to see your completed projects. Good luck. So this is a tutorial you will be watching. You might have to come back to this on Friday or next week, depending on when your book trailer is ready to be published. So make sure that you watch this tutorial, but today you might be at a point where you are just ready to share it with me and then get your feedback from me. If you haven't finished your script, please do so as soon as possible and share it with me so that you can begin the process of creating your video. In math, you have classify and quadrilaterals. As we continue our geometry journey, we will be thinking about parallel lines and a type of polygon, the quadrilateral. So listen closely to the lesson and learn how to classify or organize quadrilaterals, and then practice your new learning today through BrainPop. So watch this video and then log into BrainPop using G Suite. You can get that on the Heathcote Gateway. This is your BrainPop quadrilateral assignment. So you're going to click on this and it's going to bring you here. You have the movie to do and then 2 quizzes to do. And that's right there. The link is provided for you. And then you're going to look, you have the option of doing a coloring project. So if you click on this link, it will bring you to this sheet. You can print it out, and then it gives you a key right here, and it tells you what colors, like a square, any squares you find, color them red. A rectangle, color them blue. A trapezoid, color them yellow. Circles are green and triangles are purple. So print this out, color, and upload it to your June e-learning slideshow. In social studies today, it's going to watch a little bit more about Manhattan. So this video will focus mainly on the southern tip of Manhattan, and you will also see some fascinating pictures connecting downtown New York then and now. So enjoy the virtual tours of Ellis Island and the Statue of Liberty. So watch the video to learn about Manhattan. Watch the links on slide 20, I will show you that. And then explore New York City, Ellis Island, and the Statue of Liberty through virtual tours. And then complete the seesaw activity. The link is below. There's also a collection of New York City books on Epic. So if you click on that link, you have all of these books and videos that you can watch and read to learn more about Manhattan. And I will be suggesting that you continue to go back through this as we learn a little bit more about Manhattan over the next couple of days. Here's the Manhattan slideshow. So when you click on this, you're going to have to go down to slide number 20. And the way that you know you're in slide number 20 is the numbers are right along the side. So this is the slideshow that Mrs. DeGrazia basically went over with you. But then when you come here, you can click on these links. These are all YouTube links to watch some different tours of Ellis Island, the Statue of Liberty, as well as Manhattan. And then here's some optional other additional websites which talks about the New Amsterdam stories, and this is what Manhattan was long time ago. So it gives you a little bit of information. Our very last two letters, capital letters for cursive handwriting, are capital letter R and B. So watch these two tutorials and then print this out. It will be given to you, or it's 2 pages, and then upload it to your June e-learning slideshow. So here's the Heathcote e-learning pages, and then by the end of the day, you need to have completed a bingo board activity, posted to Seesaw. Watch my tutorial very carefully. You might need to come back to this if you're not at the point of publishing your video. And then make sure, if you're not at that point, you share the script with me, that you've gotten the go-ahead and that you're completing the video. And then you can follow the steps to publish your book and trailer on the 3rd grade Padlet. Math, watch tutorial on quadrilaterals, then the Brain Pop video, complete the quiz, and there's also that optional robot coloring page. And then you have cursive handwriting pages, the last 2 letters that we will be completing for the year. I will see you at 10 o'clock or 10:45, depending on your time. Definitely email me any questions that you may have. And also, if you haven't already, share your scripts so that you can get going on the video, because that we would like to have done by Monday. I will see you at your assigned time. Have a wonderful day.